Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful rainbow colored crepe paper garlands, streamers. You can use this for any party, a birthday party, wedding, or any other themed decoration. You can always use it for as a decor or a wall decoration in your home. It's rainbow themed and we will use the 7 colors of the rainbow to make this very beautiful garland streamers. If you are new to this channel is all about party decoration, room decoration and all kinds of DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then click on that red subscribe button so you don't lose this channel and you can stay updated on all the future videos that I'll be making, and so you can be the first to know all the latest decorations that I'll be making. All my decorations are exclusive, which you can only find on my channel and nowhere else on YouTube. For this decoration we will be needing crepe paper. I have here 7 colors of crepe paper. I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple and pink. I will be needing these colors to make our garland streamers. We will take 1 color crepe paper and we'll mark it on 4 centimeters. Next we are going to take these and we are going to make cuts in them. Make small cuts in them on the corners. We won't cut till the edge. Our width of the garland was 4 centimeters, so we'll make cuts of 1 centimeter deep. That's the same that we're going to do on this side. We'll make cuts of 1 centimeter deep. That's what we'll be doing with all the other colors. After we have made all the pieces, we'll take one piece, any color, and we'll open it up carefully. Make sure that you do it very careful, otherwise you'll tear it up. And we'll cut pieces of 20 centimeters. So at 20 centimeters, we'll cut it out. And that's what I'm going to do with all the other pieces. I'm going to cut them at 20 centimeters and I'll have many pieces of 20 centimeters each. After making all these strings, we'll take double-sided tape. We'll keep the length of the double-sided tape from 3 till 4 centimeters. Whatever you feel comfortable with. My double-sided tape is too wide, so I'll cut it in 2 parts. So I have 2 pieces. The first color we'll take red. And on the bottom we'll put our double-sided tape. Remove its cover. And we'll paste orange color here. Make sure that you paste it as straight as possible so your streamer is in a line. After the orange, we are going to put yellow. On the yellow color, we will paste green. On the green, we will paste blue. On the blue, we will paste purple. And on the purple, we will paste pink. The same way how we have made this streamer in the rainbow colors, same way we are going to attach all the other pieces, all the other strips. It depends on the size of your background, how big you want it, because we are going to make long strings, long strips, streamers. I have 10 pieces of strings here. For our next step, we'll take 1 strip like this and we'll take double-sided tape and we'll paste it on the back side. We'll paste it on the wall like this. Next we are going to take our second piece and we'll place it next to it. Exactly the same way we'll paste all our other garlands that we have. After putting all these garlands in a line, we are going to take the first one and we are going to turn this garland 10 times for the left side. At the end, we'll take double-sided tape and we'll secure the lower part of this garland with double-sided tape on the wall so that it doesn't move. We are going to turn all these garlands the same way for 10 times for the left side. If you did like this DIY, don't forget to click the like button. The like goal of this video is 100 likes. So if you haven't liked this video yet, then please do like this video and help this video get to 100 likes. Also, don't forget to check all my other videos on my channel. My channel is full with room decoration and party decoration DIYs. Check around on my channel and I'm sure you'll find something very useful for your decoration and your party and your occasion. I have many other rainbow themed decorations on my YouTube channel. Do check them out and I'm sure you'll find something very beautiful for your occasion.